Everyone calls this a 3-in-1 military backpack duffel bag. But here's the real question. Does it actually work as a carry-on, a gym bag, and a weekender bag? One bag all in one? Or is it just tactical cosplay? Stick around because I'm going to test it right here and tell you exactly who should buy it and who shouldn't. And I'm going to tell you one thing that you need to know before you buy this bag or any bag similar. Real quick, here's my authenticity and credibility promise. So I've had this bag and I got it myself. I purchased it on Amazon a year ago and I've had it for a year. I've used it every day at work and this is my review. This is my honest opinion on what I've found with it. I'm going to give you the real details the product page may leave out. I'm going to go over its carry-on limit, what the dividers inside actually do, and yeah, there's dividers in there, and whether the straps are comfortable or just for marketing. Can you actually use this thing? Here's what most people stress out when buying a bag like this. There's 3 questions most people will ask. Number 1, will it pass carry-on or get gate checked? Number 2, can it organize clothes, shoes, and gym gear without being a black hole? And number 3, will the zippers and straps hold up or rip after a few trips? And I'm going to answer all 3 by actually showing you. The first big claim is they say there's 3 ways you can carry this thing. Well, let's see. You can carry it with a duffel handle. I took the shoulder strap off, but you can hook a shoulder strap up here. And to this side, you have a shoulder strap that goes all the way across. And of course, my favorite way to carry this thing is the backpack straps. And yes, these straps, you can tuck them away in this zipper here. I usually just leave them out, they're fine. The straps tuck away in the zipper compartment, so you're not dragging them through the airport floor. This means you can actually get the flexibility of 3 bags in one without dangling the straps when you don't want them. So you can see right here, these things, you can clip in and snug down really tight. That's got me where I can pack so much more. This thing fills up all the way up and you strap it down and it gets small again. There's 4 of them on here, 2 on each side. Obviously you got your heavy duty strap right here. So let's open this thing up. Inside this thing isn't one big dumping ground like a lot of bags. This thing keeps you so organized. Inside it's not just one big dumping ground. You get these foldable dividers that zip in right here. And when you're not using, they lay flat. So you can split it into 2 or 3 sections. I use one side for shoes, for gym shoes. The other side usually for clean clothes. And this side for like business trips and business books and supplements and everything else on that side. But you can fit so much in here. And this even has another strap in here so you can tighten it down even more inside. That little detail is what saves you from rummaging like a raccoon at midnight trying to find all your stuff. What's even cool is it has these little pockets that air out. You can put dirty clothes in here, which is probably preferred. I usually put underwear on one side and socks on the other. It just works out actually really nice. Like I said, this whole thing will zip out. This thing lays flat. So they list this as 600D nylon with heavy duty zippers and reinforced stitching.
Translation:
it's a tough and water resistant bag. Notice I said resistant, not waterproof. If you're in the rain, you'll be fine, but don't dunk it or trust it with a laptop in a storm without a cover. These zippers are clunky enough, thick enough, sturdy enough. They don't feel like they're gonna snap off day one. Something like a lot of cheap tactical bags or tactical bags get roasted for in reviews. These are rigid and tough. All the stitching on here is pretty tough too. Like I said, I've had this for a year. I've washed it many times and look at it. It's still in great condition. All right, hold up. Rapid fire FAQ time. Ready? Here we go. Carry on. Carry on or not? The verdict. The small size can fit. Yes, it can fit in the carry-on, but this comes in 3 sizes. This is the big size. It cannot. I don't think the middle one can either, but the small one can. Waterproof? No. Well, water resistant. Taking this through rain plenty of times, totally fine. All my clothes stayed dried, everything inside stayed dry. But I wouldn't throw it at the bottom of the pool. 3, backpack straps. Do they really tuck away? Yeah, they do. They really tuck away right back in there. But how useful are they? I use them every single time I use this bag. Every time. There's no other way to carry it. It's just so easy. Real webbing. Number 4, MOLLE real webbing. Yes, you can attach pouches and other equipment to it because it does have real webbing on here. You can attach stuff to it. And I have, and I do. There's Velcro on here. There's webbing on here. You can attach a bunch of stuff. Number 5, dividers. Are they strong? Well, let's put it this way. I wouldn't use them as shelves, but they're strong. But I wouldn't put anything heavy and expect it to hold it. But that's not what they're there for, right? Now, some reviews of this bag I found actually complain about divider Velcro strength or zippers under stress. Now, that's totally fair. But here's the trick. You need to treat these dividers like organizers and not shelves.
Don't overpack.
Everyone else says they love how much it holds for the price, and I'd agree. And for the zippers, I've had no problems at all. These things are sturdy. Even the zipper itself is a sturdy zipper. Now I said there's 3 sizes, right? Which size should you get? Well, I got the big one for work, so I have to pack all my bedding, all my clothes, all my laundry stuff, all my toiletries, everything all in one bag. I didn't used to be able to do that. Which size should you get? Now the 25 to 30 liter, that's like a daily gym bag or carry-on flyers. Works great. 45 liter, perfect for a weekender or road trip size for like one person, maybe two. Now the 80 plus liter, big deployments, checked luggage, big trips. That's what this is for, and that's what I use it for. Now here's the kicker. Most YouTube reviews were just find the most expensive bag, buy it, or try to get it for free, then do a review on it. But I actually use this every single day. I still use it. I'm using it today. That's the difference between buying hype and buying smart. My verdict. So if you want a budget-friendly 3-in-1 bag that can actually organize your stuff and doesn't fall apart day one, this is worth it. Just pick the right size and remember water resistant, not waterproof. Now here's the kicker. Most YouTube reviews were just find the most expensive bag, buy it, or try to get it for free, then do a review on it and hopefully make some sales. I actually bought this because I needed it. I had the pain points you guys have if you're watching this video, and I love it. That's why I'm doing this. Yes, I do get commission if you click my link in the description or on my channel, but I actually use this every single day. I still use it. I'm using it today. That's the difference between buying hype and buying smart. My verdict. So if you want a budget-friendly 3-in-1 bag that can actually organize your stuff and doesn't fall apart day one, this is worth it. Just pick the right size and remember water resistant, not waterproof. The links are in the description. Check it out for yourself. Smash the like button if this helped. Subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll keep testing stuff for you and sharing what I